If you're looking for the best OBD2 scanner to diagnose your vehicle, you've come to the right place. Today we're breaking down the top tools out there, ranked from basic budget models to the most powerful diagnostic devices. Let's kick things off with the ANCEL, the most basic and affordable scanner on our list. It's a wired tool, compact in size, and perfect for someone who just needs the essentials. While it lands in last place, it still holds its ground as a reliable tool for simple engine diagnostics. The AD310 does what it's supposed to: read and clear engine codes, check emissions readiness, and even monitor live data. It's a straightforward device, and that's its charm. There are no bells and whistles here, but if you're just looking to make sure your car's check engine light isn't something serious, this tool gets the job done without any confusion. However, it's pretty limited. There's no support for systems like ABS, airbags, or transmission diagnostics. It also doesn't come with software update capabilities or a fancy display. It's strictly a plug-and-play tool with a basic screen and a few navigation buttons. So, who should consider the ANCEL? If you're a car owner who wants a no-fuss way to understand that pesky check engine light, and you're working with a tight budget, this is your guy. It's also a good pick for beginners or those with older vehicles. Now, let's take a step up in functionality with our next tool. By the way, you'll find links to all the products we're talking about today at the best prices in the description below. Coming in next is the Autel, a small but mighty upgrade over the ANCEL. This one is also engine focused, but it gives you a few more tools in the toolbox, and it does so with a little more polish. You get a brighter display, one-click emissions test, and a built-in speaker with visual indicators, something the AD310 doesn't have. It makes navigating the interface much smoother and user-friendly. It's a great option for users who want something a tad more refined without spending a lot. Still, the AL319 doesn't break into multi-system diagnostics. Like the ANCEL, you won't be accessing ABS or airbag systems, and there's no mobile app or wireless capability. It's a solid upgrade, but still limited in scope compared to higher tier options. This is a great middle ground for budget-conscious users who want a little more ease of use and a splash of color on the screen. It's ideal for quick emissions checks and code reads on the go. If you're finding this video helpful so far, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. We've got plenty more reviews coming your way. Now we're getting into some serious DIY territory with the FOXWELL. This one still focuses on engine diagnostics, but it goes a step further with advanced features like sensor monitoring and detailed live data graphs. With hotkeys for quick access, a built-in DTC lookup, and real-time data graphing, it's much more versatile than the previous two. Plus, it's great to see FOXWELL offering lifetime software updates, keeping your tool up to date without extra costs. The biggest limitation, like the others so far, it doesn't go beyond engine diagnostics. No ABS, SRS, or transmission support, and it lacks wireless capability. It's also slightly bulkier in design compared to newer Bluetooth models. For home mechanics or even small shop owners who want a durable, advanced engine scanner without needing full system diagnostics, the NT301 is a powerful pick. But if you're looking for a tool that checks more than just the engine, our next option delivers exactly that. Stepping it up a notch, the FOXWELL NT604 Elite is a major upgrade in functionality. This scanner doesn't stop at the engine. It covers the four major vehicle systems: engine, ABS, airbags, and transmission. That makes it a solid option for both DIYers and semi-professionals. The large color screen is a pleasure to use, and the menu system is clear and responsive. It reads real-time sensor data across systems and graphs it beautifully. Unlike many budget scanners, this one really feels like a step into pro territory, with lifetime software updates to boot. The trade-off? You still don't get advanced controls like bidirectional testing or ECU programming, and there's no wireless or mobile app. But if you don't need those pro-level features, it's hard to beat the functionality this scanner offers at its price point. This is perfect for someone who wants more than just an engine code reader, someone who wants deeper insight into the full health of their car. If that sounds like you, keep watching, because our top pick brings even more to the table. Finally, at the top of our list, we have the BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro. This tool is on another level, and not just because it's wireless. It delivers full diagnostics across all major systems, and it does it all from your phone. You get live data streaming, emissions tests, repair reports based on real ASE certified fixes, and it works on most cars from 1996 onward. The app is incredibly polished and frequently updated, and there are no hidden subscription fees. Just plug in the dongle, open the app, and you're ready to go. There are a couple of caveats. You do need a smartphone to use it, and it doesn't have a standalone display. That might be a deal breaker for folks who prefer a dedicated screen or don't want to rely on mobile tech. But for everyone else, this is hands down the most complete, user-friendly, and feature-rich OBD2 scanner available at this price point. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a pro looking for a compact tool with powerful functionality, BlueDriver is the way to go. If you're serious about keeping your vehicle in shape, take a look at the top products we covered today using the links down below. Don't forget to hit like if this helped you, and subscribe for more gear reviews, car tech tips, and real-world advice. See you in the next one.